KuCoin Trading Bot, making money with KuCoin Trading Bot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ben, and today I'll guide you and explain you short strategies on how you can make money with KuCoin Trading Bot, or what exactly is KuCoin Trading Bot. Well, first thing, you must know what a KuCoin is, but what is Trading Bot? In simple terms, it is a software program that automatically executes trades based on predefined strategies. This means you can trade 24/7 without having to monitor the market constantly. To access it, you can simply open up KuCoin. Once you open up KuCoin, you should be headed to your wallet directly. There, you can swipe to the right here on the screen and tap on the More option here. Once you tap on More, if you scroll down under the Trade section, you shall be able to find the option that says Trading Bot. You can simply tap on it. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Trading Bot. First thing is the automated trading. You can save time and reduce emotional decision making. Similarly, the second is backtesting strategies. You can test different strategies using historical data before going live. You can also diverse the strategies. Choose from various strategies like greed trading or future trading to fit your risk tolerance. Now, as I've showed you how you can set up and head over to the Trading Bot. Once you have access to the Trading Bot section here, you can simply choose a strategy. You can see here great strategy, AI powered and such. So select a strategy that aligns with your trading goals. Then customize your settings like investment amount and trading pairs. Then you can simply go ahead and launch the bot. Simply tap on hit start and go ahead and launch it and let it do the work. Now here is a few tips to maximize your success. Start small, test with a small investment to learn how the bot performs. Monitor the performance regularly, then stay informed. Keep up with market trends and news to make informed decisions. And that's it. This is how you can use KuCoin Trading Bot, which can be a game changer for your crypto trading journey. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.